Would you like to see your face on one of these old wanted, dead or alive posters? Of course, just for fun. In this tutorial, I will show you how to do it using a very simple wanted poster generator. Use a fully customizable wanted poster template to create your own poster in minutes. My name is Monika Zagrobelna, and this is how to create a wanted poster on Envato Tuts Plus. Go to placeit.net. Type wanted poster in the search bar. Click the blank wanted poster to open the wanted poster maker. Now you have a wanted poster template ready to be filled with your own information. Let's start with the photo. Go to the right and click Custom Image. Pick your photo and give it a second to upload. To make the photo fit its space on the poster, you need to crop it properly. Use the slider to resize the photo and then drag it for the best frame. When you're done, click Crop. A special filter will be added to your photo to give it a style of a traditional wanted poster. Now, let's add the text. To the left, you have all the text fields currently used. You can remove them or add another one. You can also change the font, the color, and resize or move the text. Personally, I like the style of this wanted poster, so I've just replaced the text with something custom. You also have control over the other colors in the poster, the background color and the color of the ornaments. Play with them to see what works best. Additionally, you can add a graphic to the poster. You can pick it from a very extensive list of symbols or upload your own image. When you're done, just scroll up and click Download. You can purchase this single design or download it as a part of your unlimited subscription. Now you know how to create your own most wanted poster. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and thanks for watching.